them in. I think they're all out. You dumped them. You did a great job.
I think you got them.
Can you put them on there? You put them in there for me? Oh! You kiss him? That's very nice to kiss him. Ah, ah. Can you put the circle in there, the orange circle? Oh, I think that's
cheated.
cheating. Here you go. You put them in. Where's the orange circle? You see the orange circle?
Good job.
Good. Green square, where's green square?
Good job, buddy.
Good job. Yellow triangle or your purple hexagon? Oh, there you go, purple hexagon. Turn, turn, turn. Oh, need some help? There you go. You turn it just a little. All right. Got yellow's triangle. Can you find yellow triangle? There he goes. All right. Pink star is left. You want to do pink star too? Sometimes that one's tricky, huh? You turn it. Oh, here you go. Let's try again. Turn, turn, turn. Yay! You did it. Give me a 5. Give me a 5? No? All right.